Pula from Fiji. I'm Vineil Narayan, heading Fiji's Climate Change and International Cooperation Division with the Ministry of Economy. And I'll be speaking to you briefly on the impact of UNOSAT rapid mapping response that was provided during the recent cyclones. The National Disaster Management Office, or NDMO as we call it, plays various roles enacted for the implementation of disaster-related policies, plans, and activities laid out by the Disaster Management Council and the Fijian Cabinet. This includes the activation of the National Emergency Operations Center, or the NEOC, during disasters to coordinate activities of disaster monitoring, warning, and immediate post-disaster response. The NEOC is activated when a specific threat of disaster develops or when disaster strikes, and it's manned on a 24-hour basis by teams drawn from the public service and governmental agencies, carrying out its functions according to the NDMO standard operating procedures. The response teams obtain regular situation reports from the divisional and district emergency operations centers, as well as facilitate requests for assistance from the public during emergencies. The government declared a state of natural disaster for both Tropical Cyclone Harold and Tropical Cyclone Yasa to enable the smooth implementation of response efforts, including activation of evacuation centers, which are mostly schools, and emergency operation centers in all 4 divisions of Fiji. Coordination during emergencies is carried out through the Fiji cluster system, which creates partnerships between international humanitarian actors, national and local authorities, as well as civil society. I was engaged with NDMO during the recent disasters as the Ministry of Economy is the lead for the logistics cluster. I understand that UNITA, through the UNOSAT, provided rapid mapping services by activating the International Space Charter for both Tropical Cyclone Harold and Tropical Cyclone Yasa in 2020 to support the NEOC operations and rather cover some impacted areas, and this is highly appreciated. This information was helpful for the NDMO team in terms of correlating with the official damage assessment data coming in from the divisional EOC field teams. Initial damage assessments are then reviewed into detailed damage assessments once we have more field information. The UNOSAT web map, where you can download these rapid mapping products, are also resourceful to the development partners that are part of the Fiji cluster network that may quickly need that information to activate their response to these affected areas. On behalf of the Fijian government, I would like to extend our appreciation to UNITA for their timely and effective assistance during national emergencies.